Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to silence calls ringtone from a specific chat on Gmail. With this updated method, you can easily mute notifications from a specific chat without missing out on any important messages. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Next, tap the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen. Now, open the chat that you want to silence. Once you're in the chat, tap on the contact name at the top of the screen. This will bring up the contact information menu. From there, tap on the mute option. This will silence all notifications, including calls and ringtones, from this specific chat. And that's it. You have successfully silenced calls and ringtones from a specific chat on Gmail. This method is perfect for those times when you need to focus and don't want to be disturbed by notifications. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.